What's up, guys? We're back. It's Saturday. What's up, guys? We're back. If this is your first time, welcome. To all of my adoring fans out there, welcome back. June 24th, 2023. Another beautiful day in Southern California. And it's been pretty mild for this whole year so far. And I was expecting kind of like a heat wave around now, maybe July. We'll see how it goes. But we've had a really wet winter, and you know, one of the things that has happened with a wet winter in years past is it gets followed up in the summertime by a pretty good heat wave. So kind of curious to see if it's gonna actually happen. But if it does, we'll take care of our trees, keep them hydrated. Got irrigation set up to them, and we're all good to go. Sorry, little plane flying overhead, so I had to kind of pause right there. But today I wanted to walk you through some new varieties that I got for 2023 that I'm super excited about. So this right here is called the Malama. So I made a tag right there, Malama, and I didn't realize that I pulled this out. This was already in here also. Malama. So this is going to be interesting to see how this does. I got to decide where I'm going to put this, but as of right now, this is kind of what it looks like. It's in a little 5-gallon pot. I'll probably put this here and then get it going into the ground somewhere. But excited about this one. It's new for 2023 for me at least, and we'll see how it goes. So this Malama is a Epicenter grafted tree. It's got some new growth coming in right now. See that? It's doing pretty good. I'll put the link down below to their website. It's in, I would say, Northern California, Santa Cruz area. So they do a lot of unique varieties, so you might want to check them out if you're interested in getting one of these. One thing to note is they don't necessarily have a lot of stock, so you may not be able to get what you're looking for. I had to order in years past a green gold and something else from them, and it just took a while for them to actually be ready for them to deliver it. So, but excited to have this variety in our little mini orchard here. So we'll see how it goes going forward. So there's a difference between Malama and this, which is Maluma with the U. So I got this through Brokaw, and it's looking good. It's actually doing well. We'll get this in the ground hopefully this week, but wanted to show you this. This is a Maluma, which is not Malama, Maluma. So of course I got one of these also, Charwell on Duke 7. Excited about that. You know it's a Charwell because see the red specks on there? Let me see if I can zoom in. Right there. See that? It's looking pretty healthy. Alright, so here's my other Kona Charwell from Brokaw, and it's doing pretty good. Leaves are nice and big. So if you guys are following along, if you guys are growing avocados, take a moment to subscribe to the channel, be a part of the team, and kind of follow along to see how yours is doing compared to mine. So this is my Kona Charwell from Brokaw on Duke 7 also. Okay, not sure if I talked about this one yet. This is I might have already talked to you guys about it, but this one's called the Koala. So still small. It's in a pot. It's got a fruit on there. Let me show you that. See that right there? There's one fruit. There was a couple in there somewhere, but I think they all dropped. Only one kind of stuck around. So I got my tag. I got to put it on there so I don't forget which one's which. But excited about this one also for 2023. So the new leaves that are kind of coming in, it's like that burgundy, coppery color right there. It's kind of cool for the koala. And I got it next to my kahalu, which is this. I need to straighten this guy out. I think it's doing okay. There's a graft right there. Kahalu. So, and I couldn't resist. I needed something different. I got a giant Fuyu persimmon also. This one's doing okay. It's got some good growth up here. Not sure if you can see that, but so that's something new, something different, not an avocado. Okay, now here's my secret stash of new avocados that I just got. Check this out. Finally, the Nimlio. Of course, I printed one out, but I didn't know if there was a tag on there or not. But I ordered this 2 years ago from Epicenter, and it's finally here. It's not big, but it's okay. At least I got one. It's got some new growth coming in. So super excited about this because this is something I've been looking for, and I finally got it. It's a little small. I mean, it's in a sleeve. It's probably like a 2.5 gallon sleeve here. And I got it from Epicenter. So excited about this one. So we'll see how it goes. I'd like to definitely put this in the ground because the search has been going on for about 2 years now. And I finally found it. So I also have this, which I killed. It's called the Ardif, and I killed it already, so no good. We'll have to kind of work on that. So the next avocado that I got that's new, that you guys haven't seen before, that I haven't talked about yet, is this, the Oro Negro. So I got this from a friend, hooked me up. We did a swap. So, and the graft that's here is doing okay. It's still green. I'm hoping this thing makes it through. We'll see how it goes. But this is a good variety to have. Not very popular in Southern California. More popular on the East Coast, kind of like Florida. But I heard that this was really good, and I was looking for one, and eventually just kind of came up on it. So excited about having this, and we'll have to put this label here. Let me pause. So we're back. Finally put the tag on there. And if you guys have one of these in Southern California and it's doing well, I know a couple people have them. I've actually talked to 1 or 2 people who have them, and they've gotten fruit, and I was actually gonna stop by and pick up a fruit just to see how it tastes. But I came up on this one and decided to go ahead and just get it. So it's right next to my Nimlio, and I got the Oro Negro right there. So, and in the secret stash, I got some other stuff too, like another SC Gold right here that I grafted myself. It's not doing great, but still alive, doing okay. I also got in here a Palo de Oro, which is this. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the tag is, I need to get a Sharpie and rewrite. So this one's doing really good. I need to get this in the ground. It's actually trying to reach up, because it's pretty shady in this area, which is okay. But I got a lot of little baby avocados that I'm planning on grafting some of my different varieties onto. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Hopefully you guys are gonna have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.